Service providers, this is exactly how you should be setting up your website's navigation, so save this for later. In your main navigation, you want to make it all about your client. So think about what they came to the website for. You'll want to link your logo to your homepage. There's not really any need to include another home link in the navigation, so I would save that space for other things. Clients will likely be looking for your portfolio or any case studies that you can provide, because ultimately clients care about the results that you can get for them. You'll then want to have a services section of your website. There should be a services landing page, and then each individual service should also have its own page. On each individual service page, you're going to want to add a section that says browse more services or something similar, so that way you can link to your other service pages. This strategy is going to do wonders for your search engine optimization. Then you'll include your about page with a little about you and the company, include your blog if you have one, and of course your contact page. Now for the footer of your site, you could restate the main navigation. This is also a great place to put an FAQ if that's applicable to your business. Restate your contact information and also include your newsletter sign up, your social media, and any legal info. Hope this helps.